Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Honda CB125R. Honda has just unveiled the 2025 CB125R, a sport motorcycle designed to redefine the small displacement segment with its blend of style, performance, and practicality. Aimed at new riders and urban commuters, the CB125R offers a dynamic riding experience in a compact and stylish package. At the heart of the 2025 Honda CB125R is a new, more powerful 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. This upgraded power plant delivers 15 horsepower, the maximum output allowed for the A1 license category in many countries. The engine's smooth power delivery and impressive fuel efficiency make it an ideal choice for both city commuting and weekend adventures. The 6-speed transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, contributing to an engaging and enjoyable ride. The 2025 CB125R is a testament to Honda's commitment to providing riders with accessible, high-quality motorcycles, said Kenji Morita, Honda's global head of motorcycle operations. We've taken a proven formula and enhanced it with modern technology and design to meet the needs of today's urban riders. Visually, the CB125R draws inspiration from Honda's larger sport motorcycles, featuring a minimalist yet aggressive design. The bike sports a sleek, angular bodywork that gives it a muscular and modern appearance. The full LED lighting system, including a distinctive round headlamp, taillight, and turn signals, enhances visibility and adds to the bike's contemporary aesthetic. Rider comfort and ergonomics have been meticulously designed to ensure a confident and enjoyable ride. The CB125R features a comfortable seat height of 816 mm and a lightweight frame, making it easy to maneuver through congested city streets. The bike's suspension setup, with 41 mm show a separate function front forks, SFF, and a rear monoshock, provides a smooth and controlled ride over various road conditions. The 2025 CB125R is equipped with advanced technology to enhance the rider experience. A digital LCD instrument panel offers clear and concise information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and more. The bike also comes with Honda's selectable torque control, HSTC, and ABS as standard, providing added safety and control in diverse riding conditions. Industry experts and riders have lauded the CB125R for its blend of performance, style, and practicality. The 2025 Honda CB125R is a remarkable bike in the small displacement segment, commented motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its powerful yet efficient engine, modern design, and advanced features make it a top choice for new riders and urban commuters alike. With its impressive combination of style, performance, and advanced technology, the 2025 Honda CB125R is set to become a favorite among riders looking for a capable and stylish urban motorcycle. Enthusiasts eagerly await its arrival at dealerships, ready to experience the perfect balance of power, agility, and practicality that the CB125R offers. This model is poised to make a significant impact in the small displacement sport motorcycle market, continuing Honda's legacy of excellence and innovation.